Hello, beautiful people of YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm excited every time I get to talk to my people on YouTube. I'm always excited because I'm always doing something very fresh and entertaining and yet worth watching. I think the best word I should be using is worth watching to my audience. So today, basically, I'll be talking about how to build a portfolio with little or no experience. How you can build your portfolio with little or no experience. What is a portfolio? A portfolio is more or less like your visual identity card. A portfolio shows the track record of jobs you've done before as a freelancer, as an on-site worker, and yada 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 yada. A portfolio basically tends to show your previous track record of jobs you've done before. A prospective employer or client would want to see the track record of jobs you've done before to know if you are capable of doing the job. Now, when you are asked, can I get a copy of your portfolio? I'm not talking about portfolio that you save on your Google Drive. I'm not talking about those stack folders that are on your Google Drive. That's not a portfolio. Please, if you are one of those people that you're always stacking a lot of folders on your Google Drive, sending it to your prospective client saying that is your portfolio, please stop it. Put an end to it. You're only going to ruin your chances of getting the job. If I was an employer and I was recruiting for somebody and the person is sending me a Google Drive as portfolio, trust me, you are not even getting that job, because in this modern age, who uses Google Drive as portfolio? People use websites for portfolio, and that takes me to 4 websites I'll be giving you today that you can make your portfolio for free. 4 websites for free, absolutely free. You're not paying a dime for it. They are all free. So onto the first website. I think I no. Before I take you to the first website, I will need to tell you this. You can create and get records of jobs you've done before. Now, what is the act to it? The act to it is when you go on Upwork, when you go on Fiverr, when you go on remotejobs.com, and when you see those requests for jobs. Let's assume you are a social media manager, for example. What I expect you to do is, firstly, I want you to create a social media account on any of the social media. It could be on TikTok, it could be on Instagram, it could be on Facebook, whatever social media preferably to you. Once you create this account, you could even give it a professional name. Also, what you should do next is to document the process of success and failure too. Let's not take away the failure part from the success. You document the process of failure, the process of you document the success, document the challenges, document the failures, and yada 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 stuff you need to document. Let's assume it's an Instagram account. You take track record of how you took the Instagram account from 0 follower to 500 followers. You screenshot it, you keep it. From 500 followers to 700 followers, you keep it. From 700 followers to 1,000 followers to 2,000 followers, whatever. So what you are doing is you are keeping record of, you are telling your prospective client, this is how I can handle your own social media account. You are telling your prospective client that. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So eventually, when you land your first client, your client will be able to see track record of social media accounts so that you've managed and how you create. You see the hashtags and your post schedule of how you post consistently and how often you post on that account that landed you to getting the whatever followers and how you grow the account. That brings me to the 4 websites I will be giving you. Firstly, the first on my list is Canva. Canva is just like the twin brother of CapCut. Whenever I think Canva, I think CapCut. Canva. It's always like that for me. So Canva is free. Yes, although there's a paid version for it, and the free version too has a whole lot in the live session. So if you go to Canva and type portfolio templates, you will see different portfolio templates. So just pick one and edit it to your satisfaction and then just launch it. That's one. Also, you can go on contra.com. Contra.com is absolutely free, where you can, that's the website you can get your free, you can create your free portfolio. Then you can go on, what's this one again? You can go on contently.com. You on contently.com to create portfolio. Then you can go on, I'm forgetting this website name again. You can go on journal portfolio. I think that should be my favorite one. I use that one personally. Journal portfolio. Journal portfolio is free too. You can create your portfolio from each and every one of these websites I have mentioned. Note, portfolio is important. Portfolio is very, very paramount for your job. To make a job easy, you need a portfolio, and with this website, you can create very stunning portfolios. But if you want to go advanced, and after you land your first job or your second, third, fourth, fifth job, and you want to get a advanced portfolio, you can get domain name portfolio. Though those ones are premium and they are paid for. I get a domain name portfolio from Memsheet, Wix.com, WordPress, GoDaddy, and the rest of them. Those particular websites I just called, they are all paid for. They are all paid for with a domain name attached to them. But the first four sets I mentioned earlier, they are absolutely free. The Canva, Contra, Contently, and Journal Portfolio, they are absolutely free. So with this website, you can create very stunning portfolios for yourself. And I hope that you do create portfolio for yourself, because portfolio is very important and paramount. I used to move about with no portfolio, and I used to even move about with Google Drive. Then I used to move about with Google Drive portfolio, but now I have my portfolio website, and it's stunning, and it's something that you should try out for yourself. Please, if you are new to this channel, I want you to please subscribe, yes, subscribe, and share, comment, and like these videos. Okay, thank you very much, and